XACTLY EDM Corporation. Exactly what you're looking for in a premier partner for your EDM needs. Established in 1984, XACTLY EDM headquarters is located in Waukesha, Wisconsin, in a facility specifically designed for wire EDM. A second location in Cary, Illinois, opened in 1994 to better serve the Chicago area. Electrical discharge machining, or EDM, is a manufacturing process whereby a desired shape is created by using millions of tiny, rapidly occurring sparks. As the spark from the wire erodes the workpiece, the CNC machine moves along a programmed precision path. At Xact, a cut with a kerf as small as 3.5 thousandths, or 88 microns, can be obtained. Small hole drilling EDM machines, also known as ED bores or hole poppers, can machine blind holes or through holes. Using a long brass or copper tube electrode, ED bores are able to drill through soft or hardened metals, even carbide, with very minimal burrs. Xact can ED bore holes from 0.3 to 3 millimeters in diameter. Wire EDM is ideal for delicate parts with complex profiles. Xact's wire EDM machines hold tolerances down to 1/10,000th of an inch or 2.5 microns. Another benefit to EDM is that there is no tooling required, so Xact is able to deliver your finished products quickly. At Xact, we are a dedicated team of EDM experts. We welcome the challenges and opportunities of creating new components specific to your application. We are ISO 9001 certified to the latest standard, ITAR registered and FFL licensed. The licenses and certifications we hold confirm the commitment we have to providing the highest quality. At Xact, the first step in production begins with an understanding of your project. Our experts will work with you to determine the most efficient process to produce your component. Our wire EDM machines are supported by experienced full-time programmers. Their vast knowledge of manufacturing processes, fixturing, and expertise in CAD software make even the most challenging projects possible. We work with your CAD files or prints to make sure everything is correct before production begins. Our quality assurance technicians will provide you with an inspection plan created with your input and meeting all of your requirements. Xact's Quality Assurance Lab has leading-edge non-contact vision inspection as well as measuring with a digital indicator to 5 millionths of an inch accuracy. Inspection by coordinate measuring machines, or CMMs, is another tool to ensure that your specs are met. We can reverse engineer parts if prints cannot be located. Laser part marking is an additional service we provide for part identification, lot control, and graphics. We welcome all sizes of orders, large or small volume, and prototype quantities. Xact is centrally located, enabling us to provide wire EDM services to machine shops and OEMs nationally. Many of them have EDM in-house and still benefit greatly from working with us. From start to finish, you can count on Xact to keep you informed. We pride ourselves on delivering finished components on time. Xact has many extremely satisfied customers that have been working with us for several decades. Our quality work can be found across many industries, such as packaging, automation, automotive, and renewable energy, as well as communications, tool making, defense, and photonics. XACTLY EDM is especially skilled and experienced in providing services to the medical industry. Everything from relatively large orthopedic instruments to tiny, intricate surgical components. Xact partners with many companies to make specialized parts that meet the demands of a changing world. As XACTLY EDM looks to tomorrow's possibilities, you can count on Xact for comprehensive wire EDM services today and every day. XACTLY EDM Corporation. Exactly what you're looking for in a premier wire and small hole EDM partner. For premier EDM services, turn to XACTLY EDM for your next project.